for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.